Introducing Apple Vision Pro. The era of spatial computing is here.
With Microsoft Hololens, your software can too. Software has been trapped behind the glass of a monitor. Microsoft Hololens frees your content into the real world with holograms. These holograms are a part of your world. They stay in place as you walk around them and view them from all angles. As a developer, you can make their size and shape consistent with real-world objects.
When you put on Apple Vision Pro, you see your world and everything in it. Your favorite apps live right in front of you, but now they're in your space. This is Vision OS. Apple Vision Pro is that you're not isolated from other people. When someone else is in the room, you can see them, and they can see you.
If a hologram is in front of a real-world object, it occludes that object. If it's behind, the hologram is occluded. If you leave a room and come back, they can still be there when you return. Or you can have them follow you into another room.
Apple Vision Pro is Apple's first ever 3D camera. Now, you can capture photos and videos with remarkable depth and relive a memory as if you're right back in the exact moment.
As a developer, you can also have your holograms interact with you through gaze, gesture, and voice. Anything you create can know where you are and can be made to look at you. Holograms can communicate directly with you.
Vision Pro is a wonderful way to play your favorite games. Just connect your controller and play on a massive screen with incredible audio.
Finally, holograms are made of light and sound. Developers can make them respond to the brightness in the room or cast a shadow. HoloLens supports 3D spatial sound, so sounds seem like they're coming directly from the hologram, even if it's out of sight. Your imagination can go beyond the screen.
Experiences take place in real time, right in front of your eyes.
Low delivery, great ball inside!
A stunning new way to use the apps we love. This is Apple Vision Pro.